Grain and livestock markets ending mixed Wednesday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. The grain and oilseed markets finishing mixed to slightly firmer, with soybeans remaining the primary source of uncertainty. The soybean balance sheet continued to raise questions as both export demand and crush prospects stayed unusually unclear for January. Export concerns persisted amid doubts over whether China will take full shipment of the 12 million metric tons it committed to buying this marketing year. While that total is likely met, incentives to purchase beyond it remain limited as Brazil begins harvesting a large, lower-priced crop. Attention also remains on whether Brazilian supplies could undercut U.S. exports later in the year, especially after USDA lowered its export outlook to a 13-year low. Keep in mind, we'll see a couple reports coming out tomorrow with export sales earlier on, with tomorrow morning's December NOPA soybean crush expected to come in at 224.8 million bushels, up from 216 million bushels in November and above 206.6 last December, as well as the second highest single month on record if realized. Taking a look at closing numbers, we've got March corn up 2 1/4 at 422, March soybeans up 3 3/4 at 1042 1/2, March wheat up 2 at 512 1/2, March Kansas City wheat up 2 3/4 at 522 1/4, March Minneapolis wheat up a half cent at 567. Moving over to the livestock complex, we're seeing a little bit of red with February live cattle down 210 at 235.15, January feeder cattle down 152 at 364.75. And February hogs up $1.07 at 85.70. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.